Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. Welcome to a new week. Here is our morning message for the day. All right, it says for 2720. Grab my pointer here. Dear class, good morning. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. You will work with money today. What did you do over the weekend? Love, your teachers. I hope you had a great weekend, boys and girls. We watched a family movie at my house and we went outside and worked in our yard. So I hope you had a good weekend too. Today you'll be working on an assignment about money, and you will also be working on an assignment to sum up all of our work on homonyms, synonyms, and antonyms, and compound words. And you'll have foundations and Heggerty in your reading. So have a great day. Let me know if you need anything, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.